Hi, welcome back to Christine's Home Affairs. I've got a really quick project today, or at least I hope it's going to be quick. The other day I did a video and I showed you all this free fabric that I received, and I've got this really pretty cotton border fabric, or it's a continuous print like this, and as much as I like it, it's not really something I would wear, nor is it something I would put in a bag. So my plan today is to make a tablecloth. I do a lot of vintage table linen in my shop, and even though this isn't really technically vintage fabric, I think I could get about $20 for this. Now, obviously that doesn't include the cost of material. I get my fabric for free, so I pay that forward, but I'm hoping that I can get this done within 20 minutes, and that will give me my $60 per hour rate that I hope to get for myself. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a hemmed tablecloth. It's really simple. Plus, I also need a really quick project to do, so I have a video to edit for the next few days. I'm going on a train ride to Melbourne, which I haven't done for 30 years, off to see Mum tomorrow. So let's see if we can get this project done really quickly. Now, the piece of fabric that I have is 100% cotton, which makes really nice tablecloths. And I want to square up my fabric, so the selvages are going to be nice and straight, and the torn edge of this piece of fabric is nice and straight, but the other end isn't. So the fabric piece that I want to cut today is going to be about 73 inches. It really doesn't matter what size. You'll just want to have your table plus a decent overhang on each side. So whatever it is, you can measure that accordingly. I'm going to make mine 73 inches, or about 1.85 meters in length, and then I've got a couple of fold over hems to take into account as well. So to get a nice straight edge on my fabric, I'm not going to cut this, because no matter how straight you cut, even with a rotary cutter and ruler, if you haven't got your fabric perfectly dead straight, it's not going to happen. So the best way to get straight cut of fabric is just to make a nick where you want to cut the fabric. This is a selvage here, and then just tear. And then you can see I've got a nice straight edge along here. And then all I have to do is a double fold. So this is going to be super quick. You don't have to iron and measure everything. All you need to do, just to make something very quick, is fold over the first hem, and if you need a measurement, I've folded this over by 1/2 inch, which is about 1.2 centimeters, and then I'll fold it over again, and that's all I'm going to do. So whilst I'm at the machine, I'm just going to start sewing here, and as I sew along, I'll just be folding the fabric over and continue to do that, keeping a nice straight seam or hem all the way to the other end. When I get to this end, I'll stay at the machine. This is the selvage. I'll just fold that over and again, and I've got a nice double hem. Being the selvage, if you don't want to, you can just make it a single fold. But I like to do a double fold just because it's the same everywhere else. So that's all we need to do, is just start at one corner, fold it over twice, and sew. Get to the other end, fold it over twice, and sew. Let's get to it. So I'm ready to start. All I'm using is a size 90 or 14 machine needle. It's just a universal needle, and my stitch length is at 3, and there's absolutely nothing fancy I need to do at all. This is a great project if you're a beginner sewer and you just want to learn how to sew a few straight lines and get something useful made. So as I've sewn one section, I'll just fold the fabric over twice. You'll find that it easily wants to continue on with that same seam allowance. And when you get to the end, you just turn your work around and do it all again. So this is going to be the longer side for me, being the long edge of the tablecloth and the selvages. So the selvages are usually quite neat. You can just fold it over once. And you can also use an overlocker if you have one and just fold over one edge. So overlock one edge and then fold it. But this way is quicker. We're halfway there. So I've done two sides and so far it's taken me 5 minutes and 52 seconds. So this is going even quicker than I thought. And the last side, there we go. Hopefully you can see that. Can you? And when you get to the end, all you do is just continue on with that double fold, line it up at the bottom there. Sometimes you might get a bit of a pleat. I usually have the fabric lined up at the bottom and I'll allow that pleat to sit within that fabric so it doesn't stick out on the end. And we're done in 10 minutes. Now all I have to do is iron. And there we have it, 14 minutes and 37 seconds to sew up and hem and iron this tablecloth. That was much quicker than I thought it was going to be. So there you go, in just under 15 minutes you can have a brand new tablecloth sewn up, ready to place on your table at your next dinner party. This is an ideal project if you've never sewn anything in your life. It's just folded edges with a simple straight stitch hem. Don't try to rush it if you've never sewn before. It doesn't matter if it takes you an hour to sew a few straight lines. The slower you go, the better your project will be, you know, when you're finished. I just wanted to try and see, I just wanted to see if I could get this tablecloth done really quickly. I didn't expect it to be as quick as that, but yeah, I'm very happy with that. I'm going to put this in the shop for $20. If I don't get that, it really doesn't matter. I can drop it to 15 and I'll still get a really good labour rate for the little time that I've spent making this tablecloth. And it gets some fabric that was destined to landfill back into somebody else's home in the future. So it's Sunday morning. I'm going to the shop shortly. I'll go and hang this up, price it, and hopefully, if we're really lucky, somebody sees it today and they pick it up and buy it. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I shall catch you next time. Bye for now.